Littering dirt on the street is something many of us are guilty of. We litter both organic and electronic waste, and when we do so, the consequences are clear. Blocked gutters, breeding grounds for mosquitoes, overcrowded waste bins, with hundreds of flies comfortable on it.
It's important to make people realize how damaging our everyday consumption habits are, and the fact that we need to start making the right decisions to refuse to even use these plastics in the first place.
These wastes are the most common in big towns like Douala and Yaoundé. But how can one believe that these wastes can be transformed into a treasure useful to humans?
Plastic pollution is a major threat here in Douala, Cameroon, most particularly plastic bottles. There is little or no recycling system here in Douala right now. Most of the plastic that leaves the city of Douala is carried by runoff into the mangroves and the Bois de Singe Wildlife Reserve.
These heap of dirt are collected, selected and separated and taken to industries where they are being processed and transformed into useful objects. It could be buckets, chairs, bottles, ropes and so on. The recycling of waste in Cameroon remains an expanding activity, with many more environmental-friendly companies getting involved to produce useful gadgets.
We are engaged in many activities. We do cleanups, we work on the conservation of mangrove forest ecosystem, we work on the collection and valorization of plastic waste, we do environmental education in communities.
Cameroon, should be known, produces at least 600 tons of waste per year. Yaoundé alone produces at least 500,000 tons. No waste is useless to be recycled. Thus, it is important that the general population be aware of the value of waste.